Good morning, respected all teachers and all my dear friends. Today we will represent a minor project in front of you all. So actually, my topic of my major project is the study of bio-amendment of soil by using Xanthan gums. You know, there are a lot of soil is available in our environments, but the soil is not perfect and not good. We are comparing a soil in between the Bhagalpur soils and between the Purnia soils. Right now, is the present. We are working on the presents in the Purnia soils. We are analyzing the different types of weakness in the Purnia soils. There are a lot of problems from the Purnia soils, like the strains and absorption of water, consolidation. There are a lot of problems come. We will make this project by compressing this product in between the like Purnia and Bhagalpur soil using Xanthan gum. This is my first slides. We'll moving by the next slide. This is an abstract of my project. Is recently many researchers have attempted to improve the strength of the soil by using the gel types biopolymer. But in our study, we will make mixing the Xanthan gum because Xanthan gum is easily available in the our environment. Is economically and is very good for us to arrange very easily. And the property of Xanthan gum is very good as compared to the other biopolymers. We were analyzing this project like for example, we will take a 1 ton of soil. We will only attempt 2.5% of Xanthan gum. When we mix the 2.5 of Xanthan gum, the strength and ability of the soil is increased. So we'll move to next. This is a topic and study of bioenvironment by using Xanthan gums. And there are students like Jyoti Shankar, Nisan, Kumar Nisan, Kusanand, Sasi, Praveen and Astha Bharti under the supervision of Santosh sir is the assistant professor of Pune College of Business Civil Department. She helped a lot to make this project. This is a table of content, abstract, about a project, introduction, objective, literature review, Xanthan gum methodology, results, conclusion and reference. This is my table. Will distribute this all the content in a different student. This is about a project. The project is actually focused on the bio-amendment. We'll actually amendment the soil by using the different mixer. Like we'll actually be using the only Xanthan gum here. The enhance to increase the characteristic of soil, hydraulic conductivity, durability against wetting and drying. We actually there are a lot of biopolymers available, but we are using in the Xanthan gums. We can also highlighting the Xanthan gums there, like agar gums and Galen gums and compost. There are mono tips available, but using on the Xanthan gum only. This is upper team and motto. Enhancing the soil, empowering and sensibility. That my motto of the project. An introduction. This is introduction. Soil is a mixture of organic and inorganic materials covered with the surface of earth and several natural medium in plants, fruit with a composed of minerals and organic matters, air, water and living organisms. We will mostly aim to amend the soil using the improve the soil characteristic, increasing the nutrient stability, added the soil pH, improve water holding capacity, enhancing the plant's growth. There is no any disturbance come on the soil when mixed with this gum. There is no any formula, there is no any chemical changing come on the soil. It is also beneficial for the soil environment also. This is objective. This is my objective to study a bio-amendment method available in the amendment soil to understand the impact of bio-amendment of soil using improvement of the strengths, improve the strengths using Xanthan gum by and improve the water holding capacity, amendment of soils, adjust the pH of soil also. This is my points. This is my topic explained to you all. Now I move to the literature review. The literature review is explained by the Astha Bharti. Now Astha Bharti, you can.
Now I'm going to explain the literature review. There were many researchers who contributed towards soil amendment, like as Chang et al. avoid desertification and degradation of the soil, biopolymer can be used as one of the best treatment. Next is Davis and Whitting. His goal was to improve the physical property of the soil. Next is Bojani and Senna. He emphasized on using household waste to increase the soil nutrient capacity. Next is Chang et al. In the year of 2016, he emphasized on increasing the characteristic of a particular soil. Next one is Ham et al. Actually, he cultured model bacteria that could produce an insoluble polysaccharide that was known as dextron that could enhance the fertility of the soil. Last one is Katam and Kelly. According to them, biopolymer can effectively improve the strength as well as the mechanical property of the soil. Now I'm going to explain some of the basic property of xanthan gum. Like as its formula is C35H49O29. The mass of xanthan gum is 933 gram per mole. It is thermally stable up to 150 degrees centigrade, and it is hydrophilic in nature, that is, it mixes well with both warm as well as cold water. Now I'm going to call Piyush Anand to explain the further slide.
जैसे गम का यूज बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्री में होता है, जैसे फूड इंडस्ट्री में जेल बनाने में, टूथपेस्ट बनाने में और हैंड वॉश बनाने में यूज होता है। और इसका यूज कॉस्मेटिक इंडस्ट्री में, वुड हीलिंग में, टिश्यू इंजीनियरिंग में होता है। There are two methods of mixing xanthan gum in soil. First is dry mixing and second is wet mixing. In dry mixing, फर्स्टली xanthan gum को सॉइल में मिक्स करके उसमें प्रॉपर अमाउंट में वाटर ऐड करते हैं। और इन वेट मिक्सिंग xanthan gum को 24 घंटा के लिए पहले वाटर में ऐड करते हैं ताकि वो होमोजेनियस सॉल्यूशन बन सके। उसके बाद उस सॉल्यूशन को सॉइल में मिक्स करते हैं। हमने दो तरह का सॉइल पे टेस्ट किया था, एक पूर्णिया का सॉइल पे, एक भागलपुर का सॉइल पे। पूर्णिया का सॉइल पे हमने डिफरेंट टेस्ट किया सर, जैसे लिक्विड स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी, लिक्विड लिमिट, प्लास्टिक लिमिट, एमडीडी नॉर्मल सॉइल पे टेस्ट किया और एमडीडी 2.5% xanthan gum यूज किया, जिसमें कि हमने पाया कि एमडीडी मिलाने के बाद उसका ड्राई डेंसिटी कम हो जाता है। और स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी पूर्णिया के सॉइल का हमने पाया कि 2.02% था, लिक्विड लिमिट 29.74, प्लास्टिक लिमिट 25.39 था और एमडीडी नॉर्मल सॉइल का 1.77 kg पर मीटर क्यूब था। और अगर xanthan गम मिलाए तो उसका ड्राई डेंसिटी कम हो गया, जिसके वजह से उसका 1.5 kg पर मीटर क्यूब। और हमने सीव एनालिसिस के थ्रू डिफरेंट सीव के थ्रू सॉइल का क्लासिफिकेशन किया, और जिसमें कि